It's hot. It is hot here in LA, so I apologize, but I have the big ass fan going and the air conditioning. There's a lot of air circulation happening. I need it. But it's also very appropriate, it's method, because we're learning some choreography to the song Too Darn Hot from Broadway show 𝐓𝐎𝐿. So we're learning from the top of the song. It starts out just kind of slow and steamy and then it builds, but we don't get quite that far. And can you tell I'm ready to face this way and start dancing? So I hope you're hydrated, I hope you're fed, and I hope you are warmed up and ready to go. Let's do this. I hope your commute wasn't too long. Little living room dance, that's humor. All right, we begin. From here, right arm is just stretched down, the left arm reaches up. You may recognize this from Luigi's pre-warm-up. The elbow drops and the head goes to the shoulder, and then the arm presses and the arm comes back to look out over that hand. It is pressed with the flex hand, and oh my God, that feels good in my wrist and fingers. From there, we step out and we do these 4 lunges, right, left, and the back leads. My left back, my right back, my left back, my right back. Everything is very slow because it is very hot. So you're really managing your energy, okay? From there, you're gonna bring the left in and the elbows come together and you comb the hair, and then you step across with the left into a closed lock, my knees are kissing, and that right shoulder comes forward and you press. I'm gonna go a little further and then I'll give you counts. I bring my right foot up to Passé and I turn to the diagonal. While I do that, my arms cross at my chest. It does not matter which is on top, so don't sweat that detail. From here, they come to lift my hair off the back of my neck because it's too darn hot. And then I lean into that because there's a delicious breeze, and oh my gosh, it feels good. And at the same time, which is going to be hard because I'm having trouble just standing still right now, and then when I started to talk about it, I got even tippier. Isn't that the way? From there, you're going to press up to releve as you relish that, and then you step across and you flare the arms with the left shoulder coming forward. All right, let's back up and do some counts. Left foot back. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A press. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lean. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring it up. 2, scoop it, and that left foot came in, cross it, press. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then it presses up 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 is a flare for 4 counts. Then we flick out with the hip. 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to squeeze up to Susu. I'm going to come forward. That left shoulder is going to come forward. Then I'm going to step out with the right, and the left shoulder comes forward, and that left foot points and drags. But these are rather quick, so while they feel really gooey and nice right now, it'll kind of flash by. Squeeze up and open. Squeeze up. Fall back. Develop. Step. Cross back. Reach the arms up. Again, catching the breeze, airing the pits. And from there, let the arms melt and you unfurl to down. I'll give you counts for that now. 1, 2, 3, flick. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so let's go from the top to there. Left foot back. Super hot, super lazy, super languid. Up, 2, 3, 4. Drop the elbow, turn the head. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lean, 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 lean. Scoop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Press. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this just in. I was going to the next part and something wasn't working. It's because I gave wrong counts. So let me just correct this. Our icicle melting only gets 4 counts. So that looks like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, not a huge deal, but it does matter. So a 4 count icicle melt. Now I'm going to start again on 1. I step out with my left. I'm going to turn to my right to face away from you and touch that right foot to the side, and my arms come to here. So, and that's on 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, I'm going to step out, and the elbows are going to come in, and I'm going to flare. So, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hip is out, knees are bent, arms are reaching. And everything is faced to the up wall, except I'm shifting just my shoulders and rib cage to face this direction. So you're really feeling a stretch in your low back. 5, 6, 7, 8. We mambo left, right, back, side, front to face downstage, the camera, the TV, the computer again. Reverse that on the other side. Right, left, a full turn, back, side, front. Okay, let's go from the 4 count icicle melt. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7. Mambo. 1, 2, 3. Half turn. 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7. Hold 8. And we got that far. Add that on from the top, please. A 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. New part. With the left, walking to the diagonal, we take 2 steps, we cut, and a straight leg. So this time we're not doing a rond de jambe like we do. No circle of the leg, we're just doing a straight brush. So left, right, cut, straight, cross front, lunge on the left, throw your weight back to the right and flick the left, cross front, Passé, step across to the front. Just words and feet again. Walk left, walk right, cut, cross front, lunge, throw, flick, cross front, Passé, turn, step. So we did this Passé turn when it was slow and we did a balance. We're doing it again here. It comes to the Passé and turns to the diagonal on the same movement. Feels good once it's in your body. These feet one more time, then we'll add hands. Arms, upper body. Walk left, walk right, cut across, lunge, flick, cross front, Passé, step. Great. Arms are going to go like this. Right, left, circle both around to the leg that's kicking. Cross, press as you flick, bring that elbow up as you cross, wipe your arm across your forehead so hot, cross. All right. It's half time and it's every 2 counts. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to repeat it. So 7, 8, turn and step at the same time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now we have a little tricky fast part. It's going to go like this. It's going to modify what we just did, and it's really quick. So we're going to go cross, kick, cross, step, flick, step, passé, and kick, cross, step, flick, cross, passé, step, kick, step, out, flick, cross, passé, and this time on the third time our arms come up. Okay, so those counts go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 8. So we're always holding 8 to then step and then kick. And there's no arms on that because it's fast. Do these two together, the slow, then the quick. And then we just have a little ending button to put on. A 5, 6, 7, 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there we are. This ending goes like this. Reach out with the toe. And it's toe, hips, shoulder. So I'm in a diagonal line leaning back. A 1, 2, 3, 4. Reach the arms. Now my arms are behind the head, which is on the big long diagonal line. You get the point. 3, 4. Melt down. 6, 7, 8. Up 1, 2, 3, 4. Contraction, contraction. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull it up. 6, 7, 8, which means pull that left foot up so it is next to the right and the arms come high. And then step that left foot across and flare the arms with that shoulder coming forward. And that's the end. So let's go from the fast ones, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From the top with counts that we're going with music, people, because it's too darn hot. A 5, 6, 7, 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Press 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lunge 2, 3, 4. How many times and places can you show me how hot you are? 3, 4, 5. Make the movement make sense. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Mambo. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I hope I just did that right. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's go to music. Quiet. Here we go. 6, 7, 8. 1.
It's too darn hot. It's too darn hot. I'd like to sup with my baby tonight and play the pup with my baby tonight. I'd like to sup with my baby tonight and play the pup with my baby tonight. But I ain't up to my baby tonight 'cause it's too darn hot. It's too darn hot.
How'd you
It's
do?
too darn hot.
Let's go. I'll do it next.
It's too darn hot. It's too darn hot. I'd like to sup with my baby tonight and play the pup with my baby tonight. I'd like to sup with my baby tonight and play the pup with my baby tonight. But I ain't up to my baby tonight 'cause it's too darn hot. It's too darn hot. It's too.
Okay. Wow, that was so fun. I just love that song, and I love doing the dance from that perspective of being like how it feels on a hot day. So I hope you enjoyed it too. Put the furniture back, restore the room. For me, I'm gonna get a popsicle and sit in front of the fan and not think about anything, maybe read a book. But whatever your body needs, whatever would feel good, I hope you get that for yourself. And more than anything, as you know, I hope you dance and dance and dance until the next time I see you. Living room dance class when you can't get to the studio. Oh, so good. All right.